I have some news.
Really? Tell me.
You know Sarah from the office.
Yes, I know her. What is it?
I hear Sarah and Tom are together now.
What? Tom? I thought she liked another person.
Me too. Maybe they started last week.
Wow, I did not know. They are very quiet. Is it a secret?
I don't know.
Oh, what about Amy? I hear she likes Tom too.
Oh no, that's not good. I hope Amy is okay.
Me too, but let's not talk about the office now. Let's enjoy our walk.
Good idea. We can talk more later.
Sounds good.
Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me? I need the train station.
Yes, the big train station.
Yes, the big one. My phone isn't working.
Oh, okay. It's not far. Go straight for 2 blocks. Then turn left at the big bookstore.
Straight, 2 blocks, left at the bookstore. Got it. Thank you.
Are you a tourist?
Yes, it's my first time here. I am going to London now.
Nice. I am going that way too. I can walk with you.
Really? That's so kind of you. I am not good with directions.
It's okay. I was lost when I first came here too.
But you had a phone?
No, I was very sad. I cried.
Oh, now I feel better.
And there is a good coffee shop near the station. You can get a drink before your train.
Good idea. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. It's a way to meet new people.
Hi, Jim. I'm so sorry I'm late.
Hi, Alexa. Don't worry. You are here now.
The traffic was very bad.
It's okay. We still have time.
Really, what time does the movie start?
It starts at 8:30. It's 8:10 now.
Whew, that's great. We have 20 minutes.
Yes. Are you hungry? I want to get some popcorn.
Good idea. I want some too. Do you think they have caramel flavor?
I hope so. Let's go and check.
Jimmy, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for fixing my computer.
No problem at all.
My computer is working now. It is very good.
I am happy to help.
I am not good with computers. You helped me a lot.
That's okay. I like computers.
It is not fun for me.
It is fun for me to fix problems.
I want to say thank you.
Oh,
Can I take you to dinner?
that is very nice of you.
So, yes, dinner?
Thank you, but it's not necessary. Really.
Are you sure? I want to thank you for your help.
I am sure. I am just happy your computer works.
Okay, no problem.
That is the best thank you for me.
Well, thank you again, Jimmy.
You're welcome. Call me if you need help again.
I will, thanks.
Oh, hi. Is everything okay?
Hello, your music is a little loud. Can you turn it down, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know it was so loud.
It's okay, but I can hear it in my house. My kids are sleeping.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I will turn it down now.
Thank you. I like your music, but it is very loud for the afternoon.
You're right. I will be more quiet.
Great. Thank you for being so nice.
No problem. I will be more careful next time.